Hello traders. We're about to close out trade number 29 of the SPXL day trading plan. We are forward testing with one single share. Why? Because we haven't proven just how profitable this plan is yet. We did back test it for over 100 days. We found it was profitable and it had an expected win rate of about 65%. And today we're hovering right around 63, 64%, but we're only 29 trades in. May sound like a lot to you, but we really need to take 100 trades before we decide just how profitable this plan is. Before we get started in what are we going to do to get out of this trade, which looks like it's pretty much guaranteed to be a loser. I'm not expecting this to be a winning trade, but we will go over all the statistics at the end of the video and see, what kind of impact that's going to have on the results so far. But before we do any of that, I just want to say thank you to all the patrons of my patreon.com/tradingarmor page. I really appreciate you guys. There are some people that have been members now for over a year, or just about a year at this point. The whole patron thing for me is only about a year old, but I still have some people hanging around from the beginning, so I really appreciate that. You guys inspire me to constantly come up with new ways to trade the markets and to keep you guys safe out there, keep you from blowing up your accounts, and try to make everyone as profitable as possible. And that's what we're trying to do today. You're going to hear my alarm go off in about 30 seconds, and that's going to tell me to become active in the trade. So this is the SPXL ETF. It tracks the SPY, or the S&P 500 actually. It tracks the S&P 500 on a 3-to-1 ratio. So as the S&P 500 goes up 1%, this will go up 3%. Likewise, as if the S&P goes down 1%, this will go down 3%. So we have a very detailed trading plan that we trade, tells us when to get in, when to get out, where to place our stop, when to become active in the trade. Most of this plan is completely automated. The trades are placed a day or more in advance. There's my alarm. So I'm going to have to become active in this trade. So we're going to go down to the 1-minute time frame. We're going to place this at a reasonable level below support. This is the only part that's like semi-subjective. There are lots of recommendations on how to move this stop. Looks like we're going to get stopped out right there. Absolutely fine. That's why I placed it there, because if that level fails, then I expect things to continue lower. That's not necessarily the case. This could be a pullback and this could run up higher. We have no idea. It's really not part of the trading plan to try to eke every last cent out of the trade. We just want to be profitable overall in the end. So now that that trade is done, we can go to our statistics. That was a very quick exit, which is fine with me. I believe we got filled at 83.48, and let's go ahead and place that in the spreadsheet right now. So I had the worst case scenario in there, so we couldn't lose more than $3.70 today, even if we hit our max loss. And now we're going to place our 83.48 exit in the trade. Whoops, that was a typo. 83.48, so we ended up losing just $1.56 per share. We're only trading one single share right now, so again, nothing to be stressed about or worried about or feel bad about or think about rewriting the plan or anything like that. This is just one of many trades that we will take. We are still very positive in our results, so we're going to look at the overall results right now. Let me just scroll up to the beginning of the spreadsheet. So out of 46 trading days, we've taken 29 trades now. We are up almost $15. Even though we're just trading one single share, we're just collecting data, we're still making money off of this test, which is really awesome. So anyway, our average cost probably, that should be updated. Let me just make sure we haven't gone over 99 cells. No, we have not. So that's updated. That's our average cost per trade and per share. Our ROI, is still very impressive at over 20% right now. Our average loss, we need to update that. It should be very close to that number. Maybe it's going to drop a little bit here. What was that, H80, I think? You just double check that. It's now 152. Picture of my cat. Sorry about that. Let's go down. 156, and the cell was 858. That's all we need to know. All right, cool. So that's done. That's all set. So that's our average loss, our average win, and our win-to-loss ratio as far as how much we win compared to how much we lose. And here's our P&L curve. So we're still up near all-time highs, which is great. Can't ask for more than that, and we're trading the exact same way every single day. We don't have to make any predictions. We're not trying to decide what's the market going to do today. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go sideways? Nope. The trading plan tells us exactly when and where to place the trades. We do that. then the broker executes the trade for us, and then we just stop out at the end of the day for a win, for a loss, for whatever it may be. So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like this trading plan, it is available on patreon.com/tradingarmor. Absolutely no pressure. The main message that I always want to give in all of my videos is that you need to go into every single trade with a plan. You have to stick to that plan no matter what. You always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.